Michael and Kerry Ives are today being found guilty of the callous murder of their 2-year-old grandson, Ethan Ives-Griffiths. Ethan's mother, Shannon Ives, was found guilty of causing or allowing the death of her son. All three, also found guilty of cruelty to a child, should have cared and protected Ethan. Instead, Michael and Kerry caused distress, pain and misery to their grandson before brutally taking his life nearly 4 years ago in August 2021. His mother watched and took no action as the abuse unfolded in the home they all shared. Their behaviour was beyond comprehension, and it is impossible to imagine the terror a 2-year-old would feel in suffering the horrific injuries in which he endured, inflicted upon him by those regarded as his closest family. We saw from images of Ethan how he significantly deteriorated over the 7-week period he had lived with his grandparents up until his murder. It is not possible to be sure exactly what Ethan experienced behind closed doors during that time, but sadly, we know from the evidence gathered that he suffered significantly. When failing to conform with Michael Ives' wishes, Ethan was put in stress positions, starved of food and water, casually and brutally assaulted, and tragically and unnecessarily murdered. This behaviour was a stark contrast to how his siblings were treated. I commend the immense strength and courage Ethan's paternal family found to assist my investigation team over the past 4 years and to conduct themselves with dignity throughout what was a lengthy, harrowing and complex trial. I want to thank colleagues, other emergency workers, medical experts and prosecutors for the exceptional work they've carried out through what has been an incredibly emotive, complex and protracted investigation. They've been driven by the determination of seeking justice for Ethan, often to the detriment of their own welfare. This investigation has brought out the best in policing, and I personally want to thank my team for everything they've done to secure this outcome for Ethan and his family today.